Hi everyone. For this video, we are going to look into the subject again about Operation THAW, Bring Harry Home. And we are going to ask what is going on. There is so much confusion. I haven't even watched many videos or anything about the royals because I'm really angry. I'm angry about just everything going on that, they should have stopped this when Harry and Meghan left the royal family. They should have taken their titles then. And a lot of people were saying, oh, it's constitutional. They can't do it, blah, blah, blah. But I think Charles could have done something more than just ignore and make it harder on the Prince and Princess of Wales. Just my opinion. And this video is for entertainment only and allegedly. But first, a message about Otter Spirit. Otter Spirit is so kind that they have chosen this channel to sponsor, and I want to show you something. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful crystal sphere, clear quartz crystal, and I just want to let you know that from Otter Spirit, these crystals, all of their bracelets, all of their products are AA grade and AAA grade crystals. And you get this little card with it. This says clear quartz, authentic AA grade. And the affirmation is, I am surrounded by boundless energy. Intention is intuition. Zodiac signs, all. And chakras, all. With a clear quartz crystal, you can use that if you don't have, say you don't have like amethyst or sodalite or any other crystal like that you need. You can put your intention into this crystal and the clear quartz crystal, and it will do the same as what you need, your what you need for that chakra. So this is just so beautiful. I want to say that I ordered this myself because I saw on their website that they had some beautiful spheres, and I couldn't wait. In this sphere, you can almost see like little specks, sparkly specks. It looks sort of like stars. I don't know if so. I'm sorry about the my ring light there, but if I turn the ring light off, it'll be too dark. I just wanted to share with you that. And also, Otter Spirit has given us some coupon codes. I will put the link to the website and the coupon codes also in the description box below. If you use the coupon allegedly 20, you get 20% off any order. And if you use Cindy 30, you get 30% off any orders over $99. For your discount, go to otterspirit.com/ref equals allegedly tarot. Thank you guys. And now back to our video. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to find out about this bring Harry home. Is this, all I'm hearing is a lot of the commentators and like YouTubers saying they're going to bring Harry home, and that they're ramping up this Invictus Games for, July. I just, I'm tired of hearing it. And we're just going to have a look and see what is true and what, if we could figure out what is going on here. Sometimes the energies are blocked and we can't actually find out is a pendulum will be going around and around and around, or if I do a tarot reading on it, it just won't give an answer, a proper answer. So let's clear the air. And I just want to say that I worked hard last week and it's cleanse this other room I have, and so now I have a new studio, I guess you could say. And wait till I show you this beautiful crystal ball that I got. Oh, that's for another time. So anyway, I just want to ask, are they going to bring Harry home? Are they going to bring Meghan as well? I mean, I just want to know. I've been so disgusted with the royal family. Honestly, I'm fed up. Once we think, we're rooting for the royal family, and something stupid happens, and it seems like they'll never get ahead of Harry and Meghan, and everybody is always for Harry and Meghan in the papers and the media and all that. And I'm getting sick of, betting on a losing horse. You always want, like, I want the Prince and Princess of Wales to come out ahead of them, and, I want them to, get Harry and Meghan out of the line of succession, all that. But I don't even know if that's going to work or if it's going to help. So anyway, these are all my opinions and all my feelings. So you do your own research and come up with your own conclusions. So this is my lovely pendulum board. And I might have to zoom in a little bit there. That'll help. Okay. And this, yes, is vertical. No, is horizontal. So I'll put that way for you guys. Yes for you is horizontal or is vertical. And no is horizontal. So I hope you can see that. I might have to lift this up a little bit more here. Sorry, I don't want to make you seasick. Motion sickness. Okay, there. How's that? A little bit better. So, let's do this. Okay. Yeah, I have smudged this room today for like about 30 minutes. Yeah. And so it should be cleansed. Said a little prayer of okay, let's try this again because my memory card has it was full and I had to delete some things. So like I said, for you guys, yes is vertical, no is horizontal. And we want to ask about Operation THAW for Harry. So, Prince Harry, is this Operation THAW a real thing, or what's happening with it, please? Can you tell us, is this a real thing? Okay, and that is going to no. Can you see that? Okay, So, is the palace, or let's say King Charles, is he talking to Harry, to Prince Harry? Is he talking, is he in conversation with Prince Harry? And that goes to no. Okay. Now, a lot of people are saying he is. And let's just make sure we clear the air again. So, is anybody in the royal family, or anybody speaking to Harry or Meghan that's from the royal family? That is going straight to no. Okay, because I'm getting sick and tired of hearing that they are. Is King Charles, I'm just gonna say it, guys, because and then I'm gonna say this is allegedly and for entertainment only. Is King Charles actually on his last leg that is going to yes? Is he? I mean, I've told you guys before what I saw, like in the crystal balls and even tarot readings, that he is, yeah, he's kind of, is he in his sick bed right now? That's going to yes. The person that we see as King Charles, is it him? Is it actually him? The one that we see? And that is going to yes. Okay, but my intuition and doing readings are as soon as the cameras are off, he is going home in his bed. Let's get back to it. We just want to know about will Harry be going back to the royal family at all? Going to know. That's going to know. Okay. And what does William think about Harry? No. Are they, he and Catherine, are they, do they think that Harry is dangerous? And do they think Harry is dangerous? Yes, that's going to yes. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to know, or will Harry and Meghan, let's ask this too. We might as well. Will they be going to Australia? Okay, will Harry be going to Australia? No. Okay, well, I know things can change, but we'll see. Will Meghan Markle be going to Australia for this weekend retreat? And that's going to know. Wow. Okay. Is she going to cancel? Is she going to cancel? Yep. Okay. Can you tell us? Can you spell out why will she cancel? Will you spell it out? What will be her excuse? Or just abbreviate or whatever. we'll figure it out. What will be Meghan Markle's excuse for not going to Australia? If you just wanted one word or something, what is her excuse for not going to Australia? Okay, M. I mean, she, a lot of people are saying she will be going, but what is her excuse for not going to Australia? Okay, E. G H, is it okay? Are you saying Megan? Yes, okay. What's her excuse, please, for not going to Australia? Megan M. What is Meghan Markle's excuse for not going to Australia? Please. Is that O? Are you spelling out Megan's mole? Oh my gosh. Are you? That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Is she afraid of Megan's mole? Is she afraid of? Oh, yes, she is. Wow. Okay, guys, well, we found this out just by asking, starting out about bringing Harry home. Wow. I want to know. That's okay. We heard it first here. Wow. So that's her excuse for not going to Australia. Yep. Wow. That's kind of shocking. So, uh, what can I ask? What can I ask? What else? Um, do you think, are Harry and Meghan separated or not? Are they separated? No? Okay. Wow. Well, they were for a while because I kept getting that, and other people on YouTube, even commentators were saying they didn't think Harry and Meghan were living together. So, okay. So are they still living together then? That's crazy. Says yes. I mean, because I think I heard last night one of the commentators that supposedly has inside information was saying that they weren't, or that Harry was somewhere else, living somewhere else. Will they get divorced? Will they get divorced, Harry and Meghan? No. Why? Do they love each other? Do they love each other or what? And that is going to know. Look at that. Okay. Thank you. You know, sometimes it's a lot more fun just to watch the Pendulum spell out things and all that. Well, that's all I have for you guys tonight. I hope you enjoy my new setup here in my other room. And I've been thinking about getting some more lights and stuff, like I had. Oops. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is my setup for now, and I don't know if I'll hang my lights yet. I don't know. I've been working really, really hard trying to get this room done. So just for you guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Thank you to all of my members that support this channel. I love you guys, and please hit the like button, subscribe, and the hype. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.